Hello, in today's video I will show you the best voice settings for natural sounding speech. After we open our app, we go to text to speech, and as you can see I already have a script posted. So I just need to go here, and as you can see we can adjust the speed. So stability and speed should be something like this. Oh yes, speed should be 1.000. This is the best one. Then similarity, clarity to 75, around 75. Of course it can be one or a bit more. Style exaggeration, we have none, so we don't change it. And stability should be around 50%, and this is the best settings for the most natural sounding speech. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.